Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Accidental Adult. It is great to see you here again, and today we're gonna make Djej Bil Foron. Djej Bil Foron, or Djej Bil is, I think, the easiest Lebanese dish that anyone can make, because it's just 3 simple steps: making the sauce, marinating the chicken, and putting it in the oven, and that's it. It's so incredibly easy. So let's start with the sauce. In a bowl, add the lemon juice, crushed garlic, canola oil, black pepper, and this right here is the basic Lebanese recipe. But each family adds their own twists to it, like yogurt, mustard, different spices. My family adds soy sauce, which is why I didn't put any salt in this, and Worcestershire sauce. And that's how we're gonna make it today. But feel free to experiment with other ingredients, and I'm sure it will be great. So to finish off the sauce, add some paprika, 7 spices, allspice, and rosemary. A little more rosemary. Mix them all together, and let's move on to step 2. When you buy your chicken, always get them with the skin because it's much tastier. Now, drumsticks don't usually have any extra fat pieces on them, but the thighs do, so make sure you remove them. And if you accidentally strip part of the skin in the process, I mean, there's nothing you can do. Realize midway that the pan you're using is too small, then transfer the chicken to the appropriate sized pan and cover them with the sauce. Make sure you're coating every single part of the chicken, and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. In the meantime, cut the potatoes into cubes and add them to the chicken. And since we have a little bit more time, we're gonna wash the dishes. And that brings us to step 3. Put the chicken in a preheated oven for 30 minutes or until the top turns golden brown. Once that's done, turn the pieces over to the other side and cook them for another 30 minutes or until the other side turns golden brown. And that's it. It's an incredibly easy dish to make. The chicken is juicy and saucy and delicious. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. تعرف كيف يلفظوا هذا الشيء؟
Worcester sauce.
Worcester sauce. Worcester sauce. Worcester sauce. Worcester sauce. Worcester.